Yeah. Callie, you got out.
She laid down. I'm sorry, I grabbed her for you.
Josh stepped on her and killed her.
Stepped on the baby.
Yeah, and killed her.
Oh no.
So the whole experience was just really horrible, and I just don't expect anyone to do anything at this point, just of how the whole thing worked. I ended up calling corporate office, leaving a voicemail about how frustrated I was and just how there was just so much misinformation that was being told to me, and it was just the whole experience was really, really bad. I ended up sending an email to the Better Business Bureau with my complaint, and I sent an email to someone that was a manager at customer care. So Rose should be here any minute. She's supposed to be coming down. She lives upstairs, so she's gonna help me take apart my bed. Callie, get out. Okay. Hello. Hello, Rose. Hi. I don't know where it is on our faces, but you can do this, but like you look up if you do it. Do you see what I'm saying?
That's a cute angle.
Look
at you.
Ew, sick. Callie, Rose is here for you.
Hi.
So this is the issue. Were you here when I broke it last time? Yeah.
Wow.
You can tell like how slanted it is.
You can tell immediately.
I mean, ignore all the crap on there, but I literally have been sleeping like this. I was so annoyed because I hate them. They gave me a $50 credit after I emailed corporate and everything, because I was like, this bed is less than 2 years old. So the best I could do is a $50 credit to the store. Yeah, I'm gonna go back and get another bed there. Just wanna take it apart and at least make it level so I can actually sleep on it. Just gonna throw it all out here. Mine's like an 1892 mattress, so we'll just push it up. Yeah, there we go. Hi. Oh, you're so cute and scared. You're a Wonder Woman.
Thank you, Malachi. You're very strong yourself.
Thank you. I'm also fat up. The screws fell apart.
They won't
they stripped out. Yeah, so if you try to put it back in, they'll fall right out. Yeah, so it's stripped. It just it made this hole because it just fell through like this. What the fuck?
Malachi, you were supposed to put these underneath.
I did. They all collapsed.
Every single
when
one of
everything collapsed in a row. I might have nails. See, I just don't know how to do tools, and I don't know how to do things. Oh my god. Yeah, I might even have nails. Unless it's not gonna collapse again.
Because what was your plan if that
I was just honestly just gonna take it off the whole thing, and then just sleep. Take all of them, undo all of them.
And then just sleep.
So that way it's flat.
With the box spring and mattress on the floor?
Yeah.
Okay. Were you gonna keep the bed frame and everything?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Throw it outside.
You got a hammer, right? I have the hammer if you don't. I don't know why I asked that.
Yeah.
But yeah, you could at least try.
Okay. I guess if it saves me money, I mean, that would be nice to sleep on my bed once this year. And Lowe's. Can you even step foot in here? I'm already confused.
Ooh. Those kind of match your lamp. Like they have the same sort of look to them.
Mine is tongue, yeah. This is so sad. I was even messaging my friend. I'm like, can you come fix my bed? Can anyone come fix it, please?
Make it not this way.
I'm nervous this is gonna collapse and I'm laying on it.
We'll just do a little test, like a pressure test. Oh, we don't have clamps or anything.
What's a clamp? What do you mean a clamp? For what? What is a clamp for?
It's to clamp things together.
But why do we need that? Oh my god. Doing this. Yeah, see? I just feel like it's not even worth saving. I know you want to save.
No, it's okay. I actually have an idea. It's not a good idea. But what if you took that off so that there's these 3 pieces, and then you can have your box spring and then your mattress. Then you have that, and
Oh, I get it. And then just throw it outside on the dump.
Okay.
I kind of get what you're saying. I really just don't really know what the fuck you're saying.
Pretty sure there's a way.
Okay. So will you help me bring it into the storage?
Yes. So why don't we undo these first so it's easier to.
No.
Thank you.
I hate the storage rooms. They're disgusting. Oh no.
No, it's okay. Lift it up.
No, it's in my crotch.
The one right next to ours has a sleeping bag in it.
For homeless?
Yes.
Wait, really?
I'll show you.
The one on the end?
Yeah.
Okay.
Spawning area.
Ew! That is sick. Ew, it smells like homeless.
Why'd you smell it?
Wait, the homeless person has a lock?
You started
Wait,
smelling.
is it really homeless people really sleep in there?
I don't know.
I'd assume so. Unless it's a man trying to get away from his family.
Yeah, right.
Ew.
Who's this? Like, no way to get in here.
Well, whoever.
Somebody was like,
Yeah, but why would the person who has this apartment lock it and then leave the bed in there for? That's really weird. That's sick.
Stepped on the baby.
Yeah, and killed her.
Oh no! I heard a noise there though, maybe.
I think she's hiding behind something. Oh, so I don't just throw the whole thing away like a wasteful shit?
Yeah.
I still don't understand like what this is accomplishing. Now I get it.
Are you